What's up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over our January 11th trade. A little bit disappointed. We did 11% profit on this thing. Ended up getting stopped out, even though our analysis and direction was correct. But I'll go over that here. So today we traded Tesla 125 calls. As you can see here, or to the above me, let's say. We loaded this live from our Discord again. Got these pretty much right off the open. I did want to see it drop a little bit lower, and that's what originally happened. If we look at the 1 minute chart here, it's right here. So we entered right down here, right off the open. That's kind of what we were looking for, sort of a bounce off this 121 area, or 121.5. And then it immediately ripped up, was about 2.5 here for the high, and then kind of moved against us. So our entry was $2.10. Now I did have a stop on this thing, but overall I did feel Tesla was going to move higher because it was gapping up for the day. Let me just take a quick look here on the daily chart. I did expect a bigger move than this, but I was expecting a green day. And overall, the rest of the market ended up being green. So again, that was kind of disappointing too. But we held on to this first red candle for 5 minutes, and then it rips up again. Same area, and then moved against us. And at this point, I put a stop on. I put it on for $2.35, but got filled at $2.29. So it was a little bit disappointing, especially because, half hour after this, it rips. Ended up going as high as $4.05, and it was pretty close to our resistance level. Sometimes this stuff happens, right? Now, could I have held on through this chop? I guess so, but it was a little bit too choppy for my taste, especially after these big price movements up and down between this 120, 122.5 and 120.5. But it happens. But 11 profits on the day on a, disappointing trade. We'll take it. And tomorrow's another day. One thing you should always keep in mind when you are day trading is you're not going to nail the top and bottom every single time, probably not most of the time. And it's always important to use a stop loss. Ours was still within, our risk parameters here. Anything below, if the options had dropped below 1.6, we would have sold at a loss. But it didn't. I think here was a low of like 1.72 roughly. Honestly, probably should have held on through this just because we had these pretty strong buying signals in the pre-market here. But it is what it is. Can't go back in time. And tomorrow's a new day, so we'll hopefully be profitable tomorrow as well. That's the only trade that we did today. January 11th, Tesla 125 calls. 11% profit. Alerted live from our Discord. If you find this stuff valuable, like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and we'll catch you on the next video.